Old Boudreaux walked into the bait shop and he told the owner, "I need something to fix my coffee maker." The owner says, "Boudreaux, that's not a coffee maker, that's an outboard." Boudreaux says, "Well, it's running like one." Welcome to T Mike's Outboard Shop. This is where we save the coffee makers, motors. Welcome back, because today somebody's life is going to change. Today I'm going to show you all three things. Number one, I'm going to show you what's under the sheet right here. Number two, I'm going to show you a parts package. More parts than you'd ever beg for at a parts counter. Number three, how you could walk away with all of it for free. Now, I've been running this YouTube channel for quite a while. I've also been running this shop for quite a while. I've fixed more motors that should have been boat anchors than you would ever think of. I've turned more parts motors from the truck of my car to running motors and sold them out there. But this right here, this outboard underneath this sheet, is going to be one of the most important things that T Mike has ever done. And this outboard is sitting under here real patient like, just waiting to be revealed. Well, today is the day. For those of you that are brand new, welcome to the family. The mission for this family is to save the hobby. These outboard motors right here are dying. They're sitting out there in barns and under trees, just waiting to be brought back to life. But the people like me and you that are saving these motors are getting older, and we need to pass the hobby on to the next generation. That's why I've started the Save the Hobby mission, trying to get motors that I can give away free to the next generation to be able to keep the hobby alive. And I've had so much good response on this mission, I have to share a story with you right now. Something special. Here's the story. I got a phone call from a fella named Ron up in Iowa. Alright, out of the blue, Ron calls me and tells me that he has 4 motors that he wants to give to me. I tried to explain to Ron that I don't really pick motors anymore. I'm 73 years old and I don't flip them like I used to. I can't pull the rope like I used to. I'm more into selling parts and saving the hobby. Ron said, "I understand what you're doing," and he said, "I'm going to give you these motors." I said, "You're going to drive all the way from Iowa down to Louisiana to give me some motors?" And Ron said, "I heard you're doing Save the Hobby, and I want to help you with a donation of motors to give away." So Ron drove all the way from Iowa down to Toledo Bend Lake here and gave me 4 motors, donated to give away. This is one of the motors that Ron gave for the hobby, for the Save the Hobby. He also gave all these parts, the fuel can for it, the flywheel puller, the spark checker, the timing tool. He donated the motors and all these parts to give away. That's what we're doing today. Thank you, Ron from Iowa, for participating in my mission, our mission, to save the hobby. Now let's get on to the big reveal. And hey, real quick, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below. I read every comment that's put down there. I want to know what you're interested, what motor you're working on, what video is most important to you. Just hit the subscribe and drop me a comment. So the reveal is today. The actual drawing is not till June 15th, but we've had tons of entries submitted to win this motor. If you haven't submitted your entry yet, go down in the description, click on the free motor giveaway, fill out the form, give the reason why this motor should be donated to you to carry on the tradition to future generations, and you'll be entered in the contest. I'm going to read you 4 or 5 of these entries. Just pick them at random. Doesn't mean they're going to be the winner. It's just the kind of entries that I'm getting that ought to really inspire you. Here's the first one. It's from Tom Hogg. He's from Georgia, and he says that he's got 9 grandkids that love boating and fishing and follow Pappy into his shop every time he goes in. That's inspiring. And here's from Tyler Wilbanks. He sent in a long one. Basically says that he's found my channel, has been enjoying the videos. He selected he would enjoy the process of bringing this motor back to life. He has no history, but he's only 30 years old, and he's an engineer, and he loves learning new things. He has a young son and another child on the way. Chosen, he would get the motor running and use it regularly, showing his son that old doesn't mean it has no value. I mean, just inspiring for me. Here's Neil Bailey says he would donate the finished product to Salmon for Soldiers. It's an organization that takes service members and wounded handicapped vets fishing. One of his passions, along with the vintage outboards, as a retired serviceman. He would find it important to take care of our own after we sent so many into harm's way. That would put a smile on veterans' face for sure. Thank you, Team Mike, for all you do. Thank you, Neil, for your service. That's going to be a good one. That'd be a hard one to turn down. I'll give you a couple more. Seth Wilson from Oklahoma said he's 18 years old. He just started working on a vintage motor. Feels like he has found what it takes to help others. It's taken a lot of trial and error, but it feels like he has what it takes. He's learned a ton and would love to help other people. Says it changed his life, even changed what he might want to go to college for. And here's the last one. Jacob Martin from Louisiana says, I would love to win this to help my niece into the hobby. She needs some mechanical experience. She loves to help me do anything outside. She is always up my butt when I'm outside doing projects. So those are examples of the response I'm getting. I think we're creating a movement amongst the younger generation to get into this hobby. So if you have a good purpose for winning this motor, the actual drawing is in 2 months, not too late. Go down the description, submit your request to win the motor. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you've waited long enough. Under this sheet is a piece of American history. This outboard was around when Dwight D. Eisenhower was still the president. It was around when a fishing trip for me and you was a 14-foot John boat with a lantern and a cane pole. And then they came out with these beauties. Ladies and gentlemen, the big reveal. That's right, you're looking at it. A 1955 5.5 horsepower Johnson CD12. That's the motor that's going to be given away. But not just the motor, all the parts to go along with it, including the impeller, the carb kit, the tune-up kit, the gear case kit, the parts manual, the service manual, the fuel tank, 2-line original. If the winner prefers to have the single line conversion, I'll provide the conversion kit to do it, or we can keep it original. Thanks to Ron from Iowa. We also got Flywheel Puller, spark checker, timing tool, 2-line hoses if you want to keep it 2-line. All of this is going to be given out to the winner of the Save the Hobby free motor giveaway on June the 15th. Now here how the whole thing plays out. This is not just a one video rollout here. All right, so today is April the 1st. This is the big reveal that happened today. You've just seen what we're giving away. All right, on May 15th we'll come back with part 2, where we're going to walk you through the complete restoration, everything it takes with all the parts we're giving you. We're going to talk about top to bottom how to do the restoration. And then on June 15th, the drawing. We pick a winner, we box up this beauty, and we ship her out the door. So if I were you, I'd enter today. Go down in the description, click on free motor giveaway, and put in your entry for this beauty. And listen, here's how you can help this free motor giveaway reach more people and get the audience it deserves. Go down in the comments section, leave a comment. I'll read every one. Tell me what your favorite vintage outboard motor is, what your favorite fishing hole is, what your favorite movie it is. Just tell me something, mister, and I'll respond. All right, before I let you go, here's exactly what you need to do. The 3 things that you need to do right now. Step 1, smash the subscribe button and watch all T Mike's YouTube videos. Step 2, watch the May 15th Save the Hobby video to see what the restoration project looks like for this motor. And number 3, if you can think of any way to contribute to the Save the Hobby mission, just go down the comment section and let me know. Whether it's a donation, provide some money for parts, help with the shipping, whatever you think that would help the Save the Hobby mission, just add it to the comment section. Thank you. And if you really want to go deep, go down in the description and click on T Mike University Carburetor Master Course. Learn everything there is to know about a vintage carburetor. Everything you need to know. 10 easy lessons. And if this video fired you up, smash the like button. And don't forget, T Mike University, in the description, you can enroll there. Vintage motor mail-in repair service right down below. Trivia quiz is the link right down below. Everything you need to do down in the description. And remember, we're doing it one motor at a time. Keep them running, keep them hot.